Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders.
Whoa, that bird is carrying lots of twigs. Right, Debo. She's bringing them to her nest. I wonder, how do birds build a nest? Good idea. Let's follow that bird and see if she'll show us. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Oh no! What happened to your nest?
Hi, Blippi and Debo. I'm Jodie. My nest was damaged in a storm last night. Oh, don't worry, Eggies. Mama's on a mission to rebuild our nest.
We were wondering how you build a nest.
Well, I could use an extra wing to look after my 2 eggs.
Debo would love to egg sit.
Aw, thanks, Debo. Now, Blippi, can you come with me to get supplies? Grass, mud and twigs. They're all near Jake's place, so we'll need to keep him busy. Very unfriendly.
Let's go. Nice birdie. Jodie, what's the status of that grass?
Grass acquired. Time to get the mud. Mud is landing in the nest. Now all we need are some twigs from the end of this branch.
This guy again?
Oh, thanks, Debo. Time to build. First, I make a circle with twigs and grass. Then, add more twig circles higher on top of each other.
Whoa, you use your beak to build it.
The mud is like glue, holding the nest together.
Your nest is fantastic, Jodie. And I know the answer to my question. How do birds build a nest? Birds like Jodie find natural things like grass and twigs, then use mud to hold it all together. Upload answer, Debo.
Bye, Blippi and Debo. Thanks for all your help.
Bye-bye, Jodie. Bye, eggs.